Okay, Dr. Vince here, Dr. Jimmy here. So according to Dr. Jimmy's x-rays, there's a misalignment at the very top of the neck, right where the occiput meets C1. And what that does is it chokes his brainstem. That's where the spinal cord meets the brain. So it causes headaches, upper neck tension, issues with sinuses, and it just hurts. So we're going to fix that right now. Drop this here. Loose, loose. Drop, drop, drop. Just like a baby. Just like that. Wow. So that was good. And we have one over here on the left, or on the right side, C1. It's rotated to the right side. Again, we found this on his x-rays. So we're just going to fix that right now. Turn the power on. Loose, loose. Just like that. Best adjustment I've ever given.